Hello, this is Paris Blanche here. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of successful trading, balancing risk and reward. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding this balance is key to your success. So, let's get started. In the world of trading, risk and reward are like two sides of a coin. You can't have one without the other. But how do you find the perfect balance? First, it's essential to understand your risk tolerance. This is unique to every individual and depends on factors like your financial goals, investment horizon, and of course your comfort with uncertainty. Remember, more risk doesn't always mean more reward. It's about finding the sweet spot where you're comfortable with the risk, but still have the potential for meaningful returns. A great tool to help with this is RiskReward Ratio. Simply put, it's a measure of potential reward of a trade relative to its potential loss. A ratio of 1 to 3 means you're risking $1 to make 3. Let's take an example. Say you're eyeing a stock that's currently at $100. You believe it could rise to $130, but you also acknowledge it would drop to $85. Your potential reward is $30 per share, and your risk is $15 per share. That's a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. Remember, balancing risk and reward isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process of assessment and reassessment. Always align your trades with overall investment strategy and risk tolerance. And here is a quick tip. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. It's not just about making profits, but also about preserving your capital. That's it for today. Balancing risk and reward is an art and a science. Keep learning, keep trading, and stay balanced. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into smart trading. In the currency dance, be the leader, not a follower. Keep trading, keep winning,